Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. Great day today. The S&P 500 was up 1.3%. We had a lot of good things happening. We got some more developments around the stimulus bill. It's looking a little bit more likely than it was. Moderna has been, conditionally approved. Still have to go through the process, but they might be shipping again, like Pfizer, by next Monday or so. There's talk about trying to get all of the, most exposed people vaccinated by the end of the year, which is really kind of this first level, the doctors, nurses on the first line, the people that are in long-term care facilities and the workers there also. They're expecting, I think, about 24 million in that first phase. So if they can get through that before the beginning of the year, that's pretty incredible. And so um, those are things that are really, make the market very happy. But for us, the things that make me really happy is that we had some really big outperformers today in our particular portfolio, especially in the clean energy area. We have two main clean energy pieces. One was up 7.2%, the other was up 4.9%. So I just want to spend a little bit of time talking about clean energy because I think it's very fascinating. Clean energy is an interesting area. It can be sort of political, actually. But really, what I'm looking for is things that are having good momentum. So, we're searching through pretty much on a daily basis, 2,600, ETFs, and we're looking for things that have some momentum. What we have found is that things that have been really running for the last 3 to 12 months have continued to run for the next 3 to 12 months. And so back in May, we started to see, movement in the clean energy area. It kept popping up to the top. And so we started to accumulate these two. And so, let me show you the chart so you can kind of see what's happened, since that point. And so this is State Street's Spider Series. This is a Kensho Clean Power ETF. And again, I like to use ETFs. I like buying the whole basket of different, companies that are out there that, might benefit from, the movement towards clean energy. And of course, California, New Jersey have talked about, only being able to buy electric cars by 2035. China's trying to get to net zero. Europe has had a huge push into clean energy. And so, this is not just happening here locally because Biden has become president. This is because of, this global movement towards clean energy. So the theme is super, super strong in this area. And then look at this price. I mean, here's where we're accumulating May and June. And man, we've had just an unbelievable run. The 20-day moving average is basically, this blue line is straight up. This pink line's 50-day moving average, that's straight up, and the 200-day moving average, and we're way above that. So huge, huge momentum. Big day today, obviously. And so the other charts are pretty much the same. And that's what we want to see, obviously, with all of our holdings. But that's why you have to kind of be flexible, take a look at what's working, get involved in those things that are working, make sure that the risk is in the right realm, protect yourself, have your parachutes, all of these things that we do kind of in the portfolio development side. But for the risk that we're willing to take, let's make sure we're in the right places. As I mentioned before, you got 100 trains in a train station and only 2 of them are leaving and go in the right direction. Let's try to be on those 2 as much as possible. That's kind of the idea behind it. So um, great stuff. Really interested to see what happens, with the rollout of the Moderna vaccine and the continuation of the talks on the stimulus. Those are the 2 big areas. Watching what happens results-wise with the vaccine will be the really big story here at the beginning of the year too. So look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.